Wheat soup, Ha-saa Al-Gereesh. A soup from Saudi Arabia. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Peel and finely chop the onions. Heat the oil in a saucepan. Lightly fry the onions. Add the meat and fry on all sides. Step 2. Cover the meat with water and cook until almost tender. Step 3. Puree the tomatoes and season with salt, pepper, and cinnamon sticks. Add the cracked wheat to the soup. Step 4. Cover the pot and simmer, checking the water level occasionally. Pour soup into tureen. Step 5. Sprinkle the cinnamon on top. Serve hot. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.